Hi everybody, welcome to another Crafting with Kimberly. Today we are going to be making equality sunflower pins. So this goes along with Lauren's video on symbols of the suffrage movement. So make sure you watch that first to learn all about the different symbols and colors that go along with women's fight for the right to vote. But what I'm going to be doing now is making an equality sunflower that is representative of some of the things that she talks about in that video. So there are directions in the description of this video, and you can find them on our website as well. So you'll be able to reference the measurements and see those directions again. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done now. So I have yellow paper here, and what I have done is I need a 6" by 6" piece. So I already measured it and drew that 6 inches by 6 inches. And so I am going to cut that out. All right, so I have my 6" by 6" piece of paper. And the way that I'm gonna make this is I actually fold it into a triangle. So I'm gonna do that and then show it to you. Okay, so I folded it into a triangle. I took 2 ends, one time. And then I'm gonna do that again. So I'm folding another triangle. All right. And then I'm gonna do it one more time. So you're folding 3 different triangles from the same piece of paper. All right, so I have this tiny little triangle now. The last fold I'm gonna make is, I've got it, you can see it's kind of like this. I'm holding it like this. I'm gonna fold it this way. So I've kind of got this little like cone almost. And you've got this little extra at the top. So I'm actually going to cut the extra off so it looks like this. Okay, so as you can see, you've got that cone, and I am now gonna take my colored pencil here, and I'm actually gonna draw a little curved line. So I'm making kind of the curves that you're gonna see in the flower. And I'm gonna go from the folded edge to the non-folded edge. So I'm literally just, I'm gonna draw it first and then I'm gonna show you. I drew a tiny little curve here for myself that I'm gonna cut along. So, let's see. It can be a little hard to cut. You might have to get some help from an adult. Oh. All right, now I'm just gonna unfold it. And I have a flower. Now to make the center, I have the brown paper here, and I've actually already put some templates on this. What I did, the circle is about 1.5 inches, and I actually have a vase here that I measured that's exactly that. So I put that down on the page and just traced the circle to make the size that I needed. So, all right. So now, the reason we call it an equality sunflower is because, as you can see on these that I made, I actually wrote equality in the middle. And so what we are encouraging you to do is to write on the petals what you think of when you think of equality. What does equality mean to you? What does that look like? And so I'm actually going to do that on mine, and then I'm going to show you what I've written, and then we'll put it together. Okay, so I am done. On my flower petals, I wrote for equality, I thought having a voice, representation, not to be judged by my looks, equal access to basic human rights, so food, clothing, healthcare, fair treatment. I wrote protection under the law, respect, and a seat at the table. So that's what I put on my flower. The other thing that I wrote in the middle is equality. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually going to just use a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue on there and tape it down. You might have to let it dry for a little while. And at that point, you can literally leave it like this. You can use it as decoration on really anything you want. I think for mine, I'm actually gonna put it on my refrigerator with a magnet so that I can see it every day and remember. You can tape it to the end of a pencil and have it as decoration. There are all kinds of different things you could do with it. What I did with these others, so the pin, I actually had some pin backs that I bought on Amazon. Or you can maybe use one from another pin, take it off of another piece that you're not using anymore. And to do that, we actually used a hot glue gun. So you can do that, and you just might need to get a little bit of help from an adult to glue it on for you, and then you can actually wear it if you want to do that. So thank you so much for joining me today for our equality sunflower craft.